Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you enjoyed this content. Check out some of my other content and subscribe to my channel. So today's video, I am doing a polygel set. However, I am going to discuss a topic. As you can tell from the title of the video, I will be discussing Modelones as a company. I'm not going to go into too much detail of what I'm doing on the nails. They're just kind of a backdrop for this story. However, I will list all of the products that I use in the description box below. So let's get into this story. So when I started my channel, I really wanted to do affordable products that were quality. And that's what I thought Modelones was. I would purchase from their website or on Amazon or on AliExpress. And I never had a problem with any of their products not working, except for that burst gel stuff that we're not supposed to use on our nails anyway. That remover that's supposed to like break down the acrylic. That was the only thing that didn't really work. But overall, a lot of their products work. So I would review a lot of products for my channel. So one day I was on their website and I noticed their tutorial section. And so I went on there and I noticed one of my videos was on their website. And when I looked at my analytics, this was one of the videos that was actually doing well on my channel for being a really small YouTuber. So I was like, oh, okay, this video is getting a lot of views. And then I found out why. It was actually on their channel. On their website. So at this point, I had zero interactions with Modelones. No one asked permission to use my video, and it was an unboxing video, and I did a set with one of their polygel kits. But no one had asked me permission to use my video. No one reached out to me and said, hey, nice video. We'd like to send you some of our products. Nope, just my video on their website. So also on their website, they had a PR email address. So I was just like, well, since they're using my video, let me reach out to them, see if they want to send me like some PR stuff. So this was in April of 2020. So when they reached back out to me, the lady said she'd send me 4 sets of gel polish. I actually only received 3, but I did do a video. I did review them and kind of had some of my same thoughts. This is a good product. Some of their sets have a lot of nudes. They're kind of nude heavy on their sets. So that's kind of what I said in that video. Nothing negative, just me being honest. So I did reach out to them, let them know I never received the 4th set of gel polish. And then they asked me what I wanted to review next. So I asked them to review their acrylic. So this was the end of April, and this is when they started really promoting their colored acrylics. Like those, it was starting to pop up on their website, not so much in videos, but more so on their website. So I was like, well, let me just review that or whatever. Fast forward to August. So it was like the end of August, and I noticed there was like a lot of people doing reviews on the acrylic, and I'm like, wait a minute, they never sent me the acrylic. So I did reach back out to her, and she let me know I had slipped their mind essentially. So she sends me a slow setting monomer and 5 acrylics and an acrylic brush. So I did do that video, reviewed it, said what I thought about the video. And actually that video was pretty good review. I think that was a pretty good review. I don't think I said anything negative in that video other than the brush breaking when I tried to unpack it. But I really didn't, focus on that. It was just mostly about the monomer and the acrylic. So also in between that time, I have did other Modelone videos on my website or whatever. So I think maybe after that video had posted, maybe a week or 2, I received a comment about the slow setting monomer having MMA. So I decided to test it. And I put that video up on October 10th, where the title of the video is, Does Modelones Monomer Have MMA? And I show you me comparing that video to Young Nails. I mean, I show you comparing that monomer to Young Nails monomer and then the different characteristics of the Young Nails and the Model 1s. So that was October 10th, I believe I posted that video. And for me, I noticed this has MMA characteristics. It's sticky, it's slow to soak off. I'm not okay with this. On top of that, the monomer didn't have ingredients listed on their website nor on their packaging. And again, I'm emphasizing that I use the slow setting monomer. I'm only talking about the slow setting monomer that doesn't have the ingredients. So I posted that video. I go on about my way. Actually ended up getting rid of all my Model 1's products. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that post where I said if anyone wants to pay shipping, they could have all this. And from my standpoint is, yes, these are very good products, but because this one product is potentially dangerous, I'm not supporting anything of this brand. And I said that because I do review their brand a lot. So I updated all of my Model 1's videos with the Is This MMA video. Everyone's free to do whatever they want to do. But for me personally, I'm reviewing and recommending products. So I don't want to recommend a company that I feel is not being honest about their ingredients. And in that video, I did state I'm not a chemist. I'm still not a chemist. However, when you're soaking off your acrylic, there's characteristics of non-MMA or EMA, and there's characteristics of MMA. Those characteristics were there. I feel like it's safe to assume this probably is MMA. I'm getting rid of it. So I got rid of all of their products. So that was in October. So fast forward to the end of November, I received an email. So I'm just going to read the email to you guys, and I'm just going to read the email. So the title was, Is Model 1's Monomer MMA? So they said, Hi, Verdie Rochelle. This is an email regarding a video on your YouTube channel posted October 10th, 2020, titled, Is Model 1 Monomers MMA? Then they put the link. We are sorry to hear the disappointment you had with us. First of all, thank you for letting us know the concern you have with our acrylic monomer. Even we hoped you'd inform us in some ways other than this. So basically, we hope you had told us in another way that this potentially has MMA. Yeah, I would have liked that courtesy as well. So the email goes on to say, the monomer bottles we sell separately from the clear acrylic kit. Then it has a link. Ingredients are stated on the box of this kit, and if you buy the bottle separately, it won't come in the box, and that's what caused the confusion. We'll get some new labels on the monomer bottles as improvements. So I was using the slow setting monomer. They sent me a picture of their regular monomer. So no, that doesn't clear up the confusion because it's not even the same monomer. And again, me not being a chemist, I don't believe the slow setting and the regular monomer have the same ingredients or chemical makeup because they work differently. So something's different in the formula. So the email goes on to say, things can go very complicated in chemistry, so it can happen that similar effects are shown in certain types of experimental tests, which may cause doubts on the ingredients. Okay? Rest assured that Model 1's monomer is no MMA monomer, and that's all in bold. But how can I rest assured? Because I just tested it, and it soaks off just like MMA. Okay, so here's where I kind of got pissed. So the email goes on to say, we would be much appreciated to work together with you on the consequence from the misleading. So they want to work with me on the consequences from me being misleading. The email goes on to say, causing confusions to our existed and potential customers and damages on brand damages on brand reputation. So what are you saying? So the email goes on to say, we're happy to see what you have done for your community and for supporting Model Ones. Please reach back to us and we can have further discussion on any questions should you have. Kindest regards, Model One's business team. So basically, there's not even a real email signature. This isn't even a real person that I'm talking to. And I'm confused as to what you mean about the consequences from me being misleading. So my response to them, was basically, what exactly do you mean by consequences? I responded back probably about a day or two later, and since then I've had no response. But let me back up. Prior to sending that email to me, someone from Model Ones reached out to me after my video was uploaded to review a polygel kit. In that email, my response was, I no longer use Model One's products. And then fast forward November 19th, I got the email that I just read. So here's my thing. No, I'm not a chemist. Also, I never said their products have MMA. I said, does it have MMA? I tested it. I soaked it off how we would soak off our nails, whatever, left it at that. For me personally, I will not ever use Model Ones. I won't feature their products on my channel. I'm leaving up the videos because I put a lot of work into those videos, so they're going to stay up. I'm not making them private, whatever. There's a link in each video to the MMA video. If people want to click on that link, whatever, they can. I feel like even after that video, even people that have watched that video, they're still going to support that company, and that's fine. Everyone's free to do whatever they want to do. But one thing that I'm not going to do on my channel is accept products from companies and then give a review of what they want to hear. I'm going to tell the truth. The majority of the reviews that I do on this channel are products that I've paid for with my own money. So I can be honest. I try not to be extremely negative or brutal or bashing or anything like that. But sometimes honesty isn't always pleasant. So if you're coming to my channel looking for a review, and because this company sends me all kinds of free products, everything they send me, I'm going to say, hey, this is great. Hey, this is great. My channel's not going to grow. You guys aren't going to watch my videos. You guys aren't going to trust me. So I say all of this at the risk of companies never reaching out to me again. And that's fine because I have more than enough products already to keep you guys with videos for a few months. So we'll work it out if I never receive anything free again. But like I said, the majority of my content is products that I've purchased myself. So I think we're going to be fine. I really did enjoy Model One's products, and it was hard to let go of some things just because of the quality of their products. But for me, I just couldn't support that company. Like a lot of people don't support a certain company. I'm not going to say the name because of how the owner acts. So a lot of people don't purchase from that company. And I mean, that's all of our decisions. You're free to decide that. Whatever your line in the sand is, or whatever, your non-negotiables are, that's fine. Companies receive a lot of free advertising from us when we post videos. And we receive a lot of views because you're searching for a product to see how it's used. So you come across our video, you guys watch it. Some of our videos go viral, what have you. So, even with all of the free advertisement that companies receive from YouTubers, the compensation that they give back to us, it's very, very minimal. And I do this because I want to. I do this because I actually enjoy it. But I'm not going to do a video and lie for $30 worth of product. That's not what you're going to see on this channel. So I say all that to say, here are some companies that I do support. Let's lighten the mood a little bit. So I am going to freely advertise some companies. That's Eden's Rose if you want some acrylic, if you want nail tools. And I use her acrylic a lot in my videos. So you guys will actually be seeing more of that because I have mostly her entire collection. So you will be seeing more Eden's Rose. Also, Ebony's Plush Creations. She does have some glitter acrylics. She does have a lot of nail decals, and I believe she makes them herself. So those will be featured also in my upcoming videos because I did just make a purchase on her site for some of her nail decals. So those are two of the small businesses that I'm shouting out in this video. If you're a small business and you want to send me products for a potential shout out, my business email is down below and my P.O. box is down below. Keep in mind, I'm going to give my honest opinion about what I receive. As a courtesy, I will reach out to you first via email, you know, if there's anything wrong or anything like that. Because you're a small business, I'll definitely give you that courtesy. Or if I have any questions, I'll reach out to you via email before I show them on my video. Otherwise, your products will just be featured on a video, in a video on my channel. So guys, the comments are open. You can let me know how you feel about this situation. As far as me not using that brand again, your opinion on that may be different than mine, but just keep in mind that my mind is made up. So let's not be in the comments trying to change anyone's opinion. However, please share your opinion because we're all free to have our opinions. And even though this subject wasn't the most positive, definitely let's try and keep the comments as positive as we can. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I will, in the description box, notate everything I used for this video, even though I did show it on screen, but I'll put that list down for you below. Definitely would love to hear from you guys in the comments down below. And as always, I appreciate you spending your time with me. Definitely make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and I will see everyone again soon for another video. Thank you so much for watching.